can see the coil effect, and this is the blower. So at minimum speed, right, the sound. And then you can come down here and see our product. We are working with 0 emissions. That's because I have 2 condensers connected together. So, and it's a water condenser. Alright, so you can see the speed. Now, my engine is running at a very low speed. Now, the heat you are seeing from the tank is as a result of the leakage from the condenser, right? Alright, so it's not from the actual burner, it's from the environmental escape from the container. Alright, so the sample, let's check the quality of the sample, the purity, right? You can see how pure it is. Let me show you what's from the tank. Alright. Okay, let me just turn 360. Let's go face the sun to see the purity of the whole thing. Alright. In a shade, and this is it under the sun. And let me just put the camera right in front of it. The reflection of the light is going to affect my camera, but let's see how it will go like this. All right, so like this. Okay, you can see the color is very good. Now let me take it to an environment where the weather is just okay, so you can see it. All right, okay, then I put it through the window, a hole. You can see how pure the sample is. Now the suspected sample is I'm going to test it to know if this is petrol or is diesel. Just a moment. Sorry, I forgot to show you one part of the engine. I'm just going to check that out. The reverb effect. You can see this one right here. It's also collecting oil, so it's the reverb effect from the engine. And let's check out the other sample. The engine is working at this. See? Alright, that's because the fuel is down. I'm just going to add the fuel and the process will continue. Alright. The flame was down a little bit. So I'm just going to look for a container to test and to know if this is purely petrol. Just a moment, let me look for something. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got this container. I'm just going to put it inside and take the test. Okay. Alright. Alright, so this is most likely not petrol. Let me throw it away and get another sample. This is another sample. Just going to test it. Okay. Wow. So I'm coming. Alright, just came to check up the engine. You can see that the intensity is increasing. The speed is increasing because I increased the fuel. Just a moment. Alright. So the fan speed is the same. I just increased the fuel. just a moment. Alright, you can see the reverse effect is dripping. And here we are again. Now with the way it's dripping, and you can see that the tank of fuel is less, and our reverse effect is the sample is pure as well. Now I'm just going to reduce the inflow of fuel because it's dripping very fast, and my condensers, I don't want my condenser to catch fire very soon. So let's go ahead and test that sample to know if it's diesel or not. So I'm alone, and okay, I managed to light the torch. When I put it, you can see some flame. All right, so this is diesel, right?